About this item: high capacity, 6600 mAh/95Wh voltage, 14.8V battery type, polymer Li-ion, providing same lifetime of original battery. Super high capacity V-series battery for Blackmagic Ursa Mini and Epic cameras, compatible with cameras using standard V-mount/V-lock batteries. Compatible with HVRS 270C PMWX330K PMWX330L, PMW580K PMW580L, PDW680 PDW700 PDW850 PMW TD300 HDWF900R HDW680 HDW800P, PMWF55 PMWF5 etc. Super long-lasting charge for each use and more than 500 full recharge cycles over life of the battery. Power D tap compatible, independent 5V/2.1A USB output, available to charge smartphone etc. The battery also comes with a wall plug and charger for self-charging, so no extra charger is needed. 4-level LED indicator on the side to show remaining power in time. Compact, lightweight solution for powering cameras and monitor the battery weight, only about 1.37 lb. Intelligent charging technology, it only takes 3 hours to fully charge the battery from zero using our smart charger. If you have a charger with a larger current output, the charge time will be shorter. Built-in circuit protection ensures both safety and